Now to create your own marker, as you can see, we take different type of marker in the elevation and station to create your own marker or to edit your marker. First of all, you should know what style. The name style is KATR projection section base one, or just from here you can change from general multi-purpose style and then marker style. From the marker style, as we check here, KTR, this one. By who are in this KATR projection in the section base figure. In the section base figure, this one is using, so we can go and edit from here this marker. As you can see, this style is using here, so you can change from here, or just click on here and go to crossing property. From here you can change this one. So first of all, let's turn off this crossing label, so we will create the crossing marker. So from here I will select the standard, then let's select the standard for all. Already this crossing label, or I will turn off the label. So the label is now turned off, only the alignment line, this profile label, and from here this label remain for the feature lines. So for this I will here you can change from here, you can edit this one. Okay, so by default I will select here the marker style. This let's select the general, the basic or standard. Here is a standard. Okay, for all this one, and also so this will select the standard here. Okay, now for all, here I select the standard here, here also for all I have changed this line. Okay, first of all I will make different marker star for each of the feature line, because this is you check here is the feature line, and this one for the profile, as you can see, and this line for alignment 5 alignment, this one. So I will create 3 different marker style for these 3 sun showing in the profile. So for that let's check here this setting, then general, then the multi-purpose style, multi-purpose style, and then marker, the first one. Here right click and create new, and the new select here. The first one is for the this marker. We will select marker for the feature line. Okay, marker for feature line. If I can here, you can use AutoCAD font. You can use from here. This is a standard. You can use the AutoCAD block symbol from here. So let's with this circle, let's select this cross. From here you can adjust the marker rotation, but I will let as a 0. Okay, from here the size, there is a different option. Use drawing scale, it will scale with the drawing. Use fixed scale, use size in the absolute resolution. So I will use the default one. Default one mean it will the original drawing scale it will be 2.5 millimeter to the original size scale. Word coordinate we mark it to the view. Okay, the display. Let's change this one. First of all, change here the profile because you want to see it in the profile. In the profile, you can see this the marker and this part the crossing vertical line. So this for both we are using for this line and for this marker. So I will just change here the color. Let's select the black one. The white. Okay. Let's select the other one, which will visible 77 or this one. Let's check anyone of the here and line type, line scale. You can select from here the layer, the thickness, LT scale, log, anything you can select from here. And the summary is the detail for this one. So just click apply and okay. And this the marker feature line. Okay. So now as I select this line, I will go here and from here this for the feature line, this marker style, this is standard. I will select standard and from here I will select marker feature line then apply and okay. Now you can see it's changed. So this is the first one for the this color is we will use for the feature line. I write here the feature line. Okay, just take copy from this one and this the feature line. Just write here profile. For the profile, I will use the same marker, but in the profile, I will select a different color. Let's select the blue. You can choose any color from here. This turn off on visibility. You can turn on, and here already we discussed this one. Then click OK. The marker symbol is the same. We did not change here. So I will select this one for the profile and I will go here and from here this the profile standard. So I will select profile. Now for the profile I select the blue marker. For the picture line I select the before it was the same. Okay. For this line as you can see style crossing object style is standard. So let's create for this one also. I will take copy from the feature line. Let's take copy right here alignment. For the alignment I will select here the color in the profile. This also for the vertical. So let's select another type of color. Let's check this one red with the line type. This because it's showing the center alignment, so I will select the center line. The scale I can adjust to 3 or like this one. The thickness no problem for the thickness. Okay, and then okay. Now I will click here and just click here and the 5 for the 5 alignment I will select from here this alignment right. Okay, and now you can see the line already it's now clearly visible here. I can check if I change alignment here, it will change with this
You want any work?